There are moments when doubt creeps in quietly. When your posture shrinks, your voice softens, and somewhere deep inside, you question whether you're good enough. Confidence isn't just about boldness, it's about being aligned with yourself. Yoga helps reshape not only your physical stance but also the way you carry your mind. Every stretch opens space inside you. Every breath reminds you that strength already lives within. Today, we're unlocking that inner power with 12 yoga poses designed specifically to help you build confidence inside and out. 1. Mountain pose. Stand tall, feel the ground beneath your feet. This pose teaches you presence. Shoulders back, chin lifted slightly, you're telling the world, I'm here and I'm ready. Confidence begins with how you stand. 2. Warrior 1. Feel the fire rise as you step forward. Arms up, chest forward. Like a warrior stepping into purpose. This pose doesn't just build strength, it makes you feel powerful. 3. Warrior 2. Gaze over your fingertips, steady and unshaken. This teaches you focus and direction. Confidence is knowing where you're headed and not looking back. 4. Power pose. Sink into the invisible chair. Legs burning, arms strong. This is where endurance meets determination. In tough moments, stay. That's confidence. 5. Cobra pose. Lift your chest, open your heart. This pose counteracts self-doubt. The more you rise, the more space you give your inner voice to say, I can. 6. Camel pose. As you lean back and open your chest fully, you expose your vulnerability yet stay strong. True confidence isn't hiding. It's trusting your strength even when you feel exposed. 7. Boat pose. Balancing on your sit bones, core activated, you learn control without tension. Confidence is steady, not rigid. You don't force it, you hold it gracefully. 8. Extended side angle pose. Stretching wide, you occupy space. Self-confidence means giving yourself permission to take up space mentally, emotionally, and physically. 9. Plank pose. Total alignment, total commitment. As your body trembles, your willpower grows. Confidence builds in stillness under pressure. 10. Goddess pose. Feet wide, knees bent, arms raised. This is raw feminine or masculine power. You channel inner royalty, reminding yourself, you are capable, grounded, and worthy. 11. Reverse warrior. A graceful twist of strength and surrender. Looking up reminds you that confidence isn't just forward, it's also upward. Dream bigger. 12. Tree pose. Balance on one leg, grounding through the other. Confidence comes from stability and peace within. As you rise through your arms, imagine yourself growing from hesitation into certainty. Every pose you practiced today was a declaration. A signal to your body and mind that you are capable of more than you realize. Confidence doesn't arrive in loud moments, it blooms in quiet ones like this, where breath guides transformation. Practice these poses not just on the mat, but in life. Stand taller when you walk into a room. Speak with softness but certainty. And whenever doubt returns, breathe. Ground yourself. And remember, strength lives in you. If this session resonated, like this video, share it to inspire someone else, and subscribe to join our journey toward inner strength and peaceful power. Comment below with the pose that made you feel strongest today. I'd love to know.